Hello everyone, I am the student of final year BAMS, Sharda Ayurvedic Medical College. Today I am going to explain you about the Talugata Rogas. Samanya Sankhya and Samprapti. According to Sushruta Nidhanasthana, Talugatastu Ghalashundika, Tundikeri, Adrusha, Kachapa, Arbuda, Mamsa Sangata, Talu Pupputa, Talu Shofa, Talu Pakamiti. According to Acharya Sushruta, there are 9 Talugata Rogas are mentioned and they are Kantashundika or Galashundika, Tundikeri, Adrusha, Kachapa, Arbuda, Mamsa Sanghata, Talu Pupputa, Talu Shosha and Talupaka. According to Ashtanga Hridaya, there are 8 Talugata Rogas are mentioned and they are Galashundika, Tundikeri, Kachapa, Arbuda, Talu Sanhati, Talu Pupputa, Talu Shosha, Talupaka, Talupitika. Talushundika or Kantashundika. In modern, it is correlated to elongated uvula or uvulitis. Dosha involved here is kapha and rakta, and it is sadhya type of vyadhi. Clinical features are a softy, slimy, elongated, and hanging swelling resembling the distended bladder of the fish. And there will be obstruction in the throat, regurgitation of food through the nose, thirst, and vomiting is seen. And this condition is known as Kalashundika. Medical management, if not elongated in excess, Pratisarana, Gandusha, and Nasya with kapha mitigating drugs are followed. Adrusha. In modern, it is correlated to infect cavernous hemangioma. Shofastapto, Lohitas Desho, Raktabgneya, So Adrusha, Ruk Jwaradyaha. Dosha involved here is Rakta and it is Sadhya type of Vyadhi. Clinical features are a reddish, fixed, soft edema is generated at Talu with pain and fever. This condition is termed as Adrusha. Chikitsa involved here is same as Kalashundika, that is Pratisarana, Gandusha and Nasya with kapha mitigating drugs, whereas Dallana insists on Chedana Karma. Kachapa. In modern, it is correlated to Taurus palatinus. Dosha involved here is kapha and it is sadhya according to Acharya Sushruta and it is asadhya according to Ashtanga Hridaya. A slowly emerging raised pale in color and painless swelling appear like a tortoise develops on the talu. This condition is termed as Kachapa. Chikitsa involved here is in recently developed Kachapa, only scraping is sufficient, followed by Pratisarana, Kavala and Nasya. According to Sushruta, surgery is done. According to Dalyana, surgery depends upon the growth of swelling. If mild elevation is there, Lekana is done. If big growth is seen, then Chedana is done. Talu arbuda or arbuda. In modern, it is correlated to Kaposi sarcoma or carcinoma of art pellet. A lotus bud-like swelling having a feature similar to Rakta arbuda, which is generated in the center of talu due to vitiated Rakta, and this condition is known as arbuda. Dosha involved here is Rakta and it is asadhya type of Vyadhi. Mamsa Sangata. In modern, it is correlated to fibroma. Dosha involved here is Kapha, Dusha is Mamsa, and it is Sadhya type of Vyadhi. A painless, fleshy mass develops within the palate, and this condition is known as Mamsa Sangata. Chikitsa is similar to Galashundika treatment. Principal treatment involved here is Lekana in mild condition, Chedana in big growth. Talu Pupputa. In modern, it is correlated to pleomorphic adenoma or salivary gland neoplasma. Dosha is Kapha, Dusha is Meda, and it is Sadhya type of Vyadhi. A painless static swelling of the size of a plum is generated due to vitiation of Kapha and Meda, and this condition is known as Talu Pupputa. Chikitsa is same as Galashundika.